The Institute of Chartered Accountants Ghana has fined 3 local auditing firms and a foreign one 2.2 million cedis for non-compliance with auditing standards in the collapse of 7 banks. The affected auditing firms include PKF, Chartered Accountants J. Mills Lamte and Co. Morrison and Associates, and Deloitte and Touche.
Well, in a statement released a while ago, the institute said the affected companies failed to comply with the required international auditing standards in dealing with the collapsed banks.
Now, PKF Chartered Accountants, which audited the books of Capital Bank year ended 31st December 2015, was fined 550,000 cedis.
According to the disciplinary committee, PKF did not obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence about the appropriateness of management's use of the going concern assumption in the preparation of financial statements and to conclude whether there is a material uncertainty about the entity's ability to continue as a going concern.
Now let's move to J. Mills Lamte and Co., who were the auditors for Construction Bank.
Now, they were fined 150,000 Ghana cedis. Commenting on their role, the ICAG stated that in the absence of an appropriate alternative test, there was no evidence that the J. Mills Lamte & Co. obtained sufficient appropriate audit evidence on bank balances prior to issuing the audit opinion.
Now, Morrison and Associates were also fined 350,000 cedis for their involvement with Beige Bank. On their part, the committee found that the firm's documentation of audit evidence was not adequate.
For example, there was no evidence on the audit file to show the alternative procedures performed by the auditor to address the risk relating to the existence of an amount of 20 million Ghana cedis borrowed from short-term and institutional lenders, long-term institutional borrowing.
Deloitte and Touche received the biggest fine among all the firms. They were fined 1.15 million cedis. The firm had acted as the auditors for Unibank, UT Bank and the Royal Bank at various points in time.
Now, the Institute of Chartered Accountants Ghana noted that the definition of cash and cash equivalents in the financial statements of all the 3 banks audited by the Deloitte and Touche include, among others, liquid assets with maturities of less than 3 months.
However, the cash and cash equivalents in the cash flow statements in all the 3 banks included placements with other banks with maturities of more than 3 months.